Hello, engineers. It becomes imperative for engineers to understand all modalities of digital coaching, all aspects of digital coaching, so that engineers can conduct their online coaching on their expertise the way they want to be. Because more than the knowledge, how we are going to conduct the coaching, the training is very important. The content is equally have its weight, but the way we are giving the training, it's much more important. For that, this technology helps. So the digital coaching, especially when we come online and do the digital coach on the engineering subjects, it's very important that engineers should know the different aspects of digital coaching. Hi, my name is Pradeep Kumar KP. I am the engineers growth coach. I help engineers to achieve high income growth and happy living by becoming a knowledge giver in their engineering expertise. Now we will look at the different aspects of digital coaching. The first aspect is communication. Effective communication is crucial in digital coaching. A coach needs to be able to communicate clearly. So communication is very important aspects in any training. So especially digital training online, when you go, your communication should be clear, precise, and to the point. And the technology is going to help you in much better way with your own personal skills. So the communication is the number one aspect in digital coaching. The second one is feedback. Providing feedback, because as an engineer, as a coach, when we start our career, we were learning more from our interacting with our customers or our students or our clients. We will come to know more what they want. Accordingly, we can reshape or rebuild our coaching content. So for that, we require a constant feedback, a system for constant feedbacks. The feedback is not only from the coach side, also from the student side also is much more important. So there should be a system for this feedback. Providing feedback is an important aspect of coaching, and digital coaching is no exception. A coach should be able to give constructive feedbacks to their clients and also to take their feedbacks to improve their coaching. The coach can help more their students to make their adjustment to reach their goal and plans accordingly. So this is a very important aspect. That is feedback. Then third one is technology. I have already spoken about technology in my previous videos. What's in importance in digital coaching? So as I mentioned there, the digital coaching relies on technology for communication and delivery of services. So as compared to the offline, in online, you want technology mainly for these two reasons, just for communication and also for delivery of services. So this is the aspect of technology as digital coaching is concerned. And personalization is the other aspect. As a digital coach, need to should as a digital coach needs to be able to personalize the coaching experience for each of their clients to suit their specific goals and needs. To do personalization is easy in a digital coaching. So there is different tools are also available. So personalization is one of the important aspects in digital coaching. Then goal setting. So there should be specific goals for digital coach, what his objective, what he is going to provide, what result he want to build in their students. Setting clear and achievable goals is essential for digital coaching. A coach should help their clients to set realistic goals and work with them to create actionable plans to achieve them. So that is very important from the digital coaching aspects. The goals should be very clear. Then other aspect is accountability, because digital coaching, we are sitting far from the teacher and students or the client in places, and everyone is their own control. Nobody can directly physically cannot control anyone. Digital coaching needs a more accountability aspect. Digital coaching also enables these coaches to hold clients accountable for their progress towards their goals. A coach can track progress and provide support to keep clients motivated. So accountability is the aspects that is very important for digital coaching. The other one is flexibility, because a digital coach needs to be flexible and able to adjust their coaching styles to meet the need of their clients. He can adjust on the content of delivery. It can be made customized on the time. Also, they can have flexibility, and the location of training. Also, there is a lot of flexibilities available due to the digital coaching. So flexibility is the other aspect of digital coaching. Then time management. Time management is something that to bring productivity in their client or students, that the coach can help the client to manage their time effectively. It's a key aspect of digital coaching. So a coach should teach their clients how to prioritize their task and manage their time effectively. So that is the other aspect of digital coaching. Then support. A coach need to provide ongoing support to their clients and be available to answer the questions or provide guidance when needed. That is the other aspect of digital coaching. So support, they should give the proper kind of support. Then the last one I want to say here is that ethics and professionalism. As it in other places, digital coaches needs to adhere to ethical standards and maintain a high level of professionalism in all their interactions with clients. They should follow best practices of confidentiality, data protection, and ethical conduct. So these are the some aspects on digital coaching that to be taken care of. So hope that these points are very helpful to you. Kindly put your comments so that I can bring more information related to it, and also your knowledge can enhance the other people who is watching this video. Thank you very much once again for watching this video. Keep watching. Please subscribe the channel if you have not done it. Thank you very much. All the best.